Hello WBP stars, we are at restaurant Alma and my name is Henrique Sá Pessoa. I'm the chef and owner. Today we're going to do one of our signature dishes. We call it Cobblestreet bacalhau, which is basically inspired by our Cobblestreets in Portugal. So this is actually a very typical dish. I can show you first the mixture. We have fried string potatoes with cod and egg and onions. So we make like a creamy mixture. So we're gonna start by putting that with a flaked cod in a mold, in a ring. So we don't want our cod to dry, which normally happens sometimes in a more traditional recipe. So we add a confit egg yolk, which we put in the center so we have a surprise element for the guests. Then we take the ring out. Then we're gonna add some parsley coulis, which is another one of the flavors that you have when you do the bacalhau à brás. So 3 dots. Then we're gonna add some parsley puree, some onion puree, sorry. And then we're going to finish off with some slices of cod wrapped in black olive tapenade or dried black olives. And we're just going to add that to the top so we hide our cod. And then we're just going to put a little bit of olive oil. And that's it. Bon appetit.